Are you a B2B company looking to generate more leads? Do you want those leads to be tied to a business email and not a free email provider? Then guess what? In this video, we're going to show you how to use HubSpot forms, labels, and one single checkbox to get more leads with those business emails in your contact database. Hey, you know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right, it's your boy George B. Thomas from SprocketTalk.com bringing you yet another HubSpot educational video. If you're a sales, marketing, or service professional looking to learn more about HubSpot and inbound strategies to help your business grow, then you, yes you my friend, are in the right spot. Hey, make sure you subscribe to keep learning more and use the comment section below to ask us all the inbound and HubSpot questions that you may have. Now, let's go ahead and get into the good stuff. So as you can see, we are in the Forms tool in HubSpot. And to get there, we went marketing, then we went lead capture, and then we went to forms. Now that we're in here, what we want to do is think about where do we want to use or allow personal emails versus just business emails. And maybe it's never used personal emails. Maybe it's always used business emails. We're going to talk about two things that we can do to make this way better with your forms. So let's go ahead and dive into this Sprocket Talk referral form right here. You're going to see that this is where you can see a preview of it. This is where you can see the data, but we're going to go ahead and do edit here. And you're going to see that we have two places where we're asking for email, your friend's email and your email. Now, the first thing that you can do to make sure you're getting more business emails is be specific in your labels. So for instance, instead of your friend's email, we might want it to look something like this. Your friend's business email. Now we're leaning into what we want from them versus just a general email. And the same thing could hold true on your email, your business email. Now that's all well and good, and we should make sure that we're doing that light lift right there of using the word business with email so they know that we're looking for business emails. But on any email input, you do have the ability to come over into this left sidebar area and scroll all the way down and say block free email providers. You can simply check mark that, and that is going to block this list that you can see. So let's go ahead and see the list. It's going to open up in the sidebar here, and it's going to let you know that Marketing Hub Starter, Professional Enterprise, Legacy, Marketing Hub Basic. This is a comprehensive list of email domain providers that are blocked when you enable block free email provider. And as you can see, there are a ton of free email providers that this will block out, and so therefore you will be able to get the business emails. Make sure you're being specific in your email label. Make sure that you scroll down on the left-hand sidebar and block free email providers to make sure you're getting those business emails versus personal emails when it makes sense. And there you go. Make these quick and easy changes to your HubSpot forms, and you, my friend, are off to the B2B race as far as generating leads attached to those business emails. Also, it might be worth mentioning right above that handy dandy checkbox was a text input field that allows you to block any other emails not on the free email list. So get after it. Did you like this video? Then head over to SprocketTalk.com for more actionable and tactical HubSpot user resources. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell as well for those instant notifications, and so that we know that you're part of the Sprocket Talk community. Until next time, make sure that you, yes you my friend, are focused on being a happy, helpful, humble human, and always make sure you're doing some happy HubSpotting.